Hey nerdy knitters, when you're first thinking about something to knit for somebody else as a gift, we usually go to the old standbys, mittens, hats, scarves, things like that. But sometimes you want something that's a little more out of the box, and that's what we're going to look at today. Some fun knitting patterns that are perfect gifts, but they aren't the conventional mittens and hats and things like that. So let's dive right in. But before we do, I just want to say, hey, I'm Tanya here at Nerdy Knitting. I'm a certified knitting instructor and a knitwear designer, and my goal is to help you become a confident, adventurous knitter. Now let's look at those patterns. Now, when I'm thinking of something a little unconventional to knit, I think about something that I could knit that would go around somebody's house. And there's something that's really trendy right now. It has been for the last few years, and it's even trending in the knitting community. I'm talking about gnomes, knitted gnomes to be exact. Gnomes are cute and adorable, and they're trending, and best of all, you can knit them. Sarah Shira has an adorable collection of gnomes on her website. Each one is unique, so you could create a whole collection. And if you really love gnomes, she has designs for stranded colorwork mittens, cup cozies, and sweaters too. Now, if gnomes aren't your thing, what about something that's more practical, like a market bag? Market bags make great gifts. They're really practical, they're easy to knit. If you use washable materials, then they're easy to care for, and they are surprisingly stretchy, so you can fit a lot in those bags. And you can even make a market bag from your old plastic shopping bags. Coco Knits has a tutorial all about that will walk you through how to turn plastic bags into yarn and then turn that yarn into a market bag. And if you're gifting these to somebody, throw in a bottle of wine or a nice baguette and you have a perfect gift. And you're not limited to knitting just market bags. They can come in other shapes and sizes as well, like this drawstring bag from Pearl Soho, or this folded bag from Tolt Yarn and Wool. Now, felting has been on my list for a long time, and felted bags are a great way to try out this technique. All felting is taking your wool yarn. Natural wool fibers felt really well. This is why you don't put them in the washing machine and dryer, because they will felt accidentally. But you can also felt them on purpose for felted dryer balls or for these bags. Cindy Pilon has a wonderful collection of fabulous felted bags if that's something you want to learn more about. They are beautiful, they're hard wearing, they're easy to care for, and they come in so many beautiful shapes. These would be an absolutely wonderful gift to give somebody on your Christmas list this year. Baskets are another great gift item because they're really useful, and we always like to have a few baskets around the house to toss things into. I've got them all over the house with lots of different things in each one, and you can even knit some baskets as well, like these nesting felted baskets by Deborah O'Leary, or baskets can be knit and not felted like this garter basket pattern from Universal Yarns. All these bags and baskets can also serve a dual purpose. You can use them as the gift bag. If you have another gift that you're giving somebody and you just want to add something a little extra special, you could knit them a bag or a basket to put that gift into. I also love to make little hand knit ornaments. Those make really great gifts, or even little tags to put on other gifts, like these little stockings by Julie Williams. You could even put little treats or surprises in each one of them. Another fun gift idea is small animals and stuffies. Of course, you can knit these for kids, but sometimes you knit them and they're just too adorable and you want to put them up on a mantle or a special shelf, and there are lots of great ideas for grown-ups too. For lots of ideas, look at patterns by Susan B. Anderson for the Barrett Wool Company. She has an adorable mother hen and these love owls. They're really unique and playful, and they would be perfect as a gift for somebody, not even a child, just an adult who wants something decorative on their shelf or mantle. Now, for your knitting friends, a really special gift, of course, besides buying them yarn or a gift card to their favorite yarn shop, would be to knit them a Yoke O'Clock. With this pattern, you'll knit a colorwork yoke design. There are a few different options in the pattern, from the center out, and then you get a detailed walkthrough that shows you how to turn this yoke into a clock. Now that would be just adorable in a little knitting nook, or if somebody has a whole room dedicated to their craft, that would be a great thing to have on the wall, and it would be a great gift. Now, if you want some more gift ideas, look at your local library for knitting books that are specifically for gifts. I checked my library and there were a lot of books, and I'm going to put my recommendations down below in the video description box. But I certainly haven't seen every knitting pattern out there. If you can think of something that would make a great knitted gift, please leave a comment and tell me about it. And if you're looking for more knitted gift ideas, go down and check out those comments and see what everybody else is saying. And if you're looking for even more gift ideas, check out this video right here.